Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Marzocco GS3 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work, and that's because we had to descale both boilers, the steam boiler as well as the root boiler of the machine, and replace the gasket, remove the shower screen of the machine. As you can see, this one was completely covered of coffee, so it definitely needed to be serviced. And the gasket, as you can see, it's kind of warped. This is a silicone gasket, so they kind of wear down a bit different, but you can kind of see it like the shape of the portafilter over here. So it was about time to replace it. We also replaced the vacuum release, but the one that you see right here, this one was steaming and it was not causing the machine to fully pressurize. Once we open the entire panels, we find a leak on one of the water level probes. We fixed that, make sure that it was not leaking anymore, and we were able to calibrate the machine to get to this temperature, which is 1.5 bars of pressure, and it's a good temperature. This will definitely give you a lot of steam, as you can see right here. That's perfectly fine. We also had to replace this little valve, the one that you see right here. As you can see, there's a lot of scale build up and everything around in there. It didn't look good at all. When we open it to check it, we find that it was just in bad condition. So we replaced that, and that's the expansion valve of the machine, and that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grade of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I did tamper a bit harder on these machines, as I know these machines can totally keep up with that. And as you can see, is the flow from the portafilter is a little bit slow. It's gonna be on the slower side. Probably tampered way too hard than I should have. Perfect. Nice level 1 ounce shot. Ooh. Okay, hot water, working perfectly fine. Really good temperature, working great. And as we showed before, steam working excellent. Really good temperature, even though we just use the hot water. So there you have it. The Marzocco GS3 working once again, no leaking and working the way we're supposed to. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.